Halo guys, kembali lagi bersama aku si YouTuber Lawak Komado. Jadi di video kali ini kita akan melanjutkan dari seri game Watch Dogs 2. Dan seperti yang kalian lihat di episode sebelumnya, bahwasanya kita, Markus dan Deadsec rekan-rekan kita itu kan ada sosial media tuh. Dan ternyata sosial media kita itu atau followers kita itu ternyata isinya bot guys. Ya, jadi membuat segerombolan Deadsec itu kayak putus harapan gitu, udah pupus harapannya gitu kan. Tapi si Markus itu dia punya ide sih guys, dan idenya itu mengantarkan kita ke tempat ini. Tapi kita masih belum tahu idenya seperti apa. Mungkin kita akan mengetahui ide Markus seperti apa. Dan mari kita lanjutkan dari game Watch Dogs 2 kali ini. Kita lanjutkan episodenya. Jadi kita mesti explore shelter. Oke, kita harus kayaknya ngomong sama orang deh. Nah iya kan, ngomong. Sebentar, sini ada dekat cok. Nah ini siapa ini?
Josh, who's your friend?
Oh, this is Susan.
Oh, ini Josh. Oh ya, mereka kan apa namanya kayak
Hey, we're gonna meet by the big sculpture
oh,
for
apa
a group
namanya
shot before the challenge.
berganti pakaian gitu entah.
whenever you're
Gak tau gua cok.
Didn't mean to
Ganti
step on
pakaian
your game.
atau
We're not playing a
sesuatu
game.
lah gitu.
I was just explaining
Kita
to
masih belum
Susan how
tahu
if
ini
your
tempat
low
apa.
speed mixture adjustment is too rich, your engine's going to buckle under all the excess fuel. That's a 4-cycle idle, and that can be a no-no.
Yep, sure can. Okay, well, I'll see you out there.
I'll see you out there, Josh. Oke, kita lanjutin lagi. Ini siapa nih? Oh, ini Range guys. Si Tara.
Leaving your mark,
Always.
but not dead sex.
Doesn't feel right, you know? Come on, don't bum
Jadi
me
mereka kayak
out
jatuhnya
here.
pengangguran gitu
I'm
gak
trying
sih?
to have a good time.
Ngelakuin
So
aktivitas
we,
yang
as in
menurut
Dead
mereka
Sec,
menyenangkan
we
gitu.
are gonna enter that hacking challenge and we're gonna win.
And the others are okay with this?
They will be. I got a nice smile.
Well, you do have a nice smile.
See? No problem. We're gonna do this. Everything's gonna be okay.
You've got it all figured out, huh?
Nah, but I do know if I get you back in Satara mode, you'll figure out most of it for me.
Damn, you are dangerous.
Meet us by the ugly sculpture when you're ready.
All right, see you there.
Oke, see you there. Si Tara, kita lanjutin lagi ya guys. Aduh, kira-kira kena copyright gak sih musik ini? Gak tau gua cok.
It's no problem.
Nah ini gua lupa siapa nama cok.
Hey man, what you working on?
Gonna get these people moving. They need a proper track list. This shit barely has a pulse.
DJ Ratio.
Just ratio. Back when I used to do sets. Hey, maybe I'll go back to it. What else am I gonna do now?
Man, Dead Sec's not over. We hit a pothole, that's all. We're gonna come back stronger.
You're always so sure of yourself.
I know, but I'm always right.
Wait. Here we go.
Ah, yeah, that's much better.
Locked their DJ out of his tools, too.
The savior of the party. Hey, once you're done giving these guys a hard time, meet me in the middle. Dead Sec's entering a competition.
I'll be there.
Oke, I'll be there soon. Gua lupa siapa nama cok. Udah episode berapa nih? Episode kelima. Tapi gua masih belum tahu siapa namanya. Lupa gua just. Lupa gua cuy. Iya si Range.
This isn't a fair fight.
Oh, it's so not fair. Little guy's gonna get the shit kicked out of him. But that's what makes it fun, right? You like to watch a little guy take his lumps.
Yeah, I mean, so he can get back up on his feet again and overcome, right?
You're trying to turn this into a metaphor for DeadSec, aren't you? I mean, if you want to keep DeadSec going, I'm right there with you. But if you're putting your metaphor money on that weirdo, no. He's going down and staying down.
Yeah, it's a long shot. Hey, are you joining us for the competition?
Yep, I'm down.
Oke, sekarang kita perlu ke tengah aja nih lagi guys. Di musik ini kira-kira kena copyright gak sih? Gua
That's us.
sangat
All right, people,
aware
gather
guys.
up. We need a group shot. Hey, try to look pretty for the camera.
Oke,
Huh?
mereka foto bersama nih.
Okay, looks like the challenge is starting. Hey, Josh, get on the numbers and feed it answers. Rinse, you got the jabber walk. Get it wired up and ready. Ratio, I need you to run interference on a route. Slow him down. Satara and I are gonna hack this thing. Let's get it. Dead set. Let's go, guys.
Drone's up there if you need a better view.
Oke, sekarang kita mesti
I'm
ngapain?
inside.
Oke, teka-teki
Okay,
lagi guys.
what is this? Nice. Throwing up the horns and punctuating them.
We should focus. There seems to be a timer.
Think you can hack it?
Of course.
Ada waktu, Cok.
Stop fucking moving.
Sebentar. Ada waktu, guys.
Don't mess with Satara.
Nah, kita harus cepat, noh. Rek. Aduh. Lah. Oke.
Wait a second. Don't do that. No.
Sekarang kita mesti ke... Aduh, ininya dimainkan, guys.
Almost there, Marcus. Come on.
Iya, sebentar. Sedikit lagi. Oke, satu sudah. Ini kali ya. Aduh, cok. Ini, sini. Ini sana. Oke, ini sini. Kan udah nih. Satu lagi. Ayo, come on. Sebentar, guys. Biarkan gua berpikir ya. Oh ya, ini sini. Di sini. Ini gimana sih? Oh, ini sini. Nah, tuh. Aduh. Sabar. Nah, oke. Clear.
Guys, back up, guys! It's gonna catch on fire! Back up!
But how do you know?
Because it has to catch on fire! It cannot catch on fire! Told ya!
That is dope as fuck.
The Jabberwock with eyes of flame.
I'm John.
I'm
Horatio. How's it going? What's good? I'm Marcus. Who are you?
Oke, belakang. Belakangnya siapa? Ray?
I should have put more juice in it. Hey, you kids want to feed your heads? 2 ounces of sacrosanct mind fry.
Ada yang tahu siapa orang itu, guys? Ray? Apakah dia seorang hacker juga, Cok?
People, I am going
Kok tiba-tiba aja dia join gitu?
Oh, Horatio, you good, man?
The word good has lost all meaning, my friend.
Okay, you good?
Did I forget to mention that these...
Horatio, Horacia, ya. Horatio, guys. Namanya Horatio.
Okay, they're using
Nanti ada Sitara, ada Range, ada Josh, ada Marcus kita, dan ada Horatio satu lagi.
Josh is feeling it. Okay, let's go find something for you to stare at.
Okay.
You're not Ray. You're Ray, Raymond Kinney Ray. I still got your old hacker zines, man. I remember reading War Driver.
Ah, kan dia seorang hacker juga kan?
Backpack with an antenna. Shit, I even used your old rootkit, man.
Fuckstick?
Yeah, hell yeah.
Well, I assumed you were all just... skitty pests. Correct me if I'm wrong, but... your crew seems to have a lot of unfocused noise. You the leader?
No, man, it doesn't work like that. DedSec's got a rule. No personal armies. No leaders.
Yeah. Well, FYI, I saw you leading out
Oh,
there.
man, this is everything we're fighting against. The system back home is completely fucked.
And any kid out there on the sand is gonna say the exact same fucking thing. Easy words, bro. Easy words.
All right. A few years ago, this broken-ass system marked me as a criminal risk.
linked me to some shit I didn't even do because it was probable. And now, with CTOS, it's everywhere. I mean, I can see it down to the... to the subliminal shit. You just multiplied.
Yeah,
Marcus?
tendency to do that. What you call subliminal is a bellwether, Marcus. You got a sharp eye, kid. But subliminal is passive. Bellwether program is control. It's like a Orwell Huxley double punch. Profiling, media manipulation, corporate collusion, consumerism, all driven by predictive algorithms. And now, it's setting up shop in the heart of the Silicon Valley. And somebody at Bloom's using CTOS to feed it data.
You're recruiting.
I'm aching to give Bloom a Swiss steel kick in the peanut sack. Now I can help you kids up your game. Yeah? Help me slay the real Jabberwock. Walk with me, Marcus.
Kok tiba-tiba area di sekitarnya kayak membayang gitu guys. Marcus kamu nggak mabuk kan Marcus?
What the fuck? Oh, shit.
Hah? Ada keluar bening-bening gitu ketika dia buka payung. Aneh juga nih orang.
Whoa.
Marcus?
Marcus,
Ah,
wake the
kan?
fuck up. Let's go.
Man.
I just spent the night in a pup tent next to a lady
Mimpi ya
who's
guys.
very nude and very tattooed.
Good for you,
No,
girl.
you don't get it, man. She was the Sons of Ragnarok bride. We gotta go, man. We gotta fucking vamoose now. Come on. Fucking sons are coming.
Ternyata hanya mimpi ya guys. Karena si Marcus sudah kelelahan.
Wow.
Hal, kita kembali lagi ke markas
You
kita.
guys fucked up. How bad is it?
Yeah, we all at risk now because my name's got a red flag on it. Yeah, people are gonna start making the connections. Yeah, where the fuck is everyone?
Is that all?
It's enough. We talking about Bloom here.
Hey, and you're talking to Bloom's public enemy #1, son? Yeah, I've been dodging those bastards for years. If you want, I could scrub you from the system. Give me a couple hours.
Just like that?
Well, I might have to sacrifice a goat as part of my arcane ritual, but yeah, just like that.
There you are. We've been looking for you all morning. Turns out Swelter Skelter doesn't have a lost and found.
Nah, it's more of a finder's keeper's policy out there in the desert.
What in the hell is he doing here?
Yeah, Marcus, why did you invite this stranger into our house?
Look, it just happened, all right? We were running from these bikers, right? And look, you know what? It doesn't even matter. He's cool.
Oh, he's cool. Well, that's good. Because we usually discuss these things as a group.
I know. It's my bad. But you met Ray already, right? I want to introduce you to Raymond Kinney.
That's Raymond Kenny?
I thought you'd be cleaner.
Mau siapa sih
Yeah, I
Raymond
get
Kini?
that a lot.
Can I have a hug?
Yeah, I have a 2-second I get this a lot too.
Can we keep him like a hacker in residence?
We could use his help.
He can stay here, right? He should stay here.
Okay, fine. But if he fucks with any of us, I'm gonna pop his nuts like ripe grapes.
Message received.
Nice hat.
Nice mask.
Okay, we're good. You want a beer?
Yeah, I would love a beer. Or two.
Oh,
Thank you.
Grab the man some hardware, too. He's gonna teach us some magic.
Alright, mission complete. By the way, uang gue udah mencapai 67.500 belum? Soalnya gue mau beli drone, cok. Mari kita cek ya, guys. Oh sudah guys. Mari kita beli drone. Nah ini dia guys drone kita.
Home, provider of smart houses in the Bay Area, is facing allegations that it...
Skip saja ya guys. Oke, kita telah mendapatkan 20.000, berapa tuh? 200.000 followers sehingga kita bisa mengupgrade skill point kita. Mari kita cek skill point apa saja yang bisa kita upgrade guys. Kan baterai udah kemarin tuh. Terus ini apa ya? Nggak habis sih. 4. Oke, 4 ini bisa. 4 aja dulu ya. Terus kita cek yang lain. Ini ada nitro. Oke, mobil nitro. Cek kan. Oh, masuk mobil tanpa. Oke. Ini nitronya. Kalau yang ini remote control. Oh, ini mungkin berguna guys. Oke, kita upgrade yang ini saja. Terus kita lihat yang ini untuk jumper sih. Udah. Mungkin next saya gue bakal upgrade yang kita aja mungkin kali ya. Guys. Alright, kita lanjutin lagi.
Hey kid, ready to change the world? I got something for you.
Oke, kita mesti kemana nih? Oh, kita mesti ke dalam. Cok. Oke. Nih, kayak kita harus berbicara sama si Ray ya. Kemungkinan besar ya sih. Nah, ini dia si Ray.
Marcus, what does home system look like to you?
CTOS Junior.
So it wouldn't surprise you to know that they've got a deal going on with Bloom.
After what we just did to them? Yes. I bet all deals are off now. What were the terms?
CTOS code is the base of home software. Collected data sold back to Bloom. At a hefty discount, of course.
Sounds like we showed up at the right time then.
Oke, baiklah, kita akan mengerjakan misi itu nanti. Karena gue ada misi utama sama si Ray.
Hey, yo,
Raymond
T-Bone.
King.
I'm ready, man. I'm pumped. No, seriously. Activist mode. Activate. Hey, man, how do we get Bloom?
Wait. Hold on to your joystick, son. You kids are gonna need to work your way up to Bloom, even with me help.
Ray, are you briefing him without me? We were supposed to do that together.
No, I just didn't want to trouble you.
What trouble? No trouble. Come on, Marcus. Let's brief. Okay. So,
Let's look at the big shot data harvester. Our friends at Noodle. Now, every time you search for discount refrigerator or bulldozer pouring, they learn more and more about you.
Data profiling 101.
Right. But what you didn't know was that Bloom's already got their grubby paws all over that data.
Oh, shit. Oh, this is good, Satara. Noodle's data is just what Bloom needs to strengthen the bellwether. Dig their puppet strings in deeper. You know, if we could get a hold of this ammunition, we could take down a whole lot of different targets.
I can help with that. You can't hack Noodle unless you get into the server farm. You can't get into the server farm without clearance. Hell, you can't even get on the grounds unless you're an employee there. Who the hell you think Rob Zombie over here gets his intel from?
Tell me you got clearance.
Oh, man, I'm trying to stay low-key right now. One of my leads is breathing down my neck.
I bet you Mark is composed as an employee.
Oh, he could do more than pose as an employee, Satara. Tell him what you told me, Horatio.
Noodle buses. I snagged an exploit for credentials. I could get you to the buses. All you gotta do is drive it in. They'll think you're one of the bus drivers.
Shit. Yo, let's roll, son.
All right.
Hey.
Let's do this.
Hey.
Temui Horatio di toko baju. Oke. Kita langsung saja fast travel. Oh ya, fast travel. Ada kita sudah di depan toko bajunya. Sekarang kita masuk.
All right. You ready? Let's roll.
Sekarang kita mesti ngapain, guys? Tidak ada bus. Oke, ada bus di mana tuh? Oh, di sini. Kita ngambil bus. Ah, nggak bisa di fast travel, guys. Udah, kalau gitu mungkin gua bakal skip ini video sampai ke tempat atau titik lokasinya. Alright, kita sudah berada di lokasi ya, guys. Dan kita tinggal mengambil busnya saja. Jadi super bos maksudnya.
Okay, now where's the GPS? Hey, sit down. I got man, come on. All right. GPS. I know where the GPS is. Up. Got it. There you go. Okay.
Sekarang Markus sudah beralih profesi ya, guys, jadi tukang bus. Oke, dan kita sudah turun, cok. Kita ke kantor noodle.
Yo, Horatio, man, I'm scared, bro.
Oh, what is it?
Don't nobody look like us.
Oh, man, welcome to Silicon Valley. Hey, what do you call a black man surrounded by thousands of white people?
What?
Mr. President?
Hey, man, they see two of us together, they gonna think we plotting.
We are plotting.
Dan untuk langkah selanjutnya kita mesti
Man, I feel
Horatio.
so exposed.
Hey, Horatio.
Yeah, welcome to my world. There's only 3 other black people that work here. 2 guys.
Tuh kalian bisa lihat ya,
We
guys.
have our own mailing list.
VR,
That's
teknologi
rough.
VR
But hey,
orang nih.
you're fighting a good fight, changing the face of corporate life in the valley.
Hati-hati, Bang.
You haven't experienced corporate life until you're the only brother in a meeting and have to represent
Oke, kita telah
all
memasuki
black.
kantor noodle.
Jesus, if I had a nickel for every time someone complimented me for being well-spoken.
So where's the server farm?
Not here, I'm afraid. The whole thing's located under the Noodle Maps building. You'll need a whole other level of clearance to get in there. The managers upstairs can take care of that for you. Just do a repeat performance of the bus hack on one of them, and you're good to go. Let's hit the kitchen. Need fuel before another day of drudgery.
Hey, do you want a coffee?
No, I'm fine.
Oh, please, help yourself to a pomegranate grapple. They're to die for.
You're so great. Thank you so much.
Okay, neato.
Carlin,
Brody.
big day today, huh? I'm
Carlin.
excited. How about you? You know, you could just tell us what you've been up to, where you've been looking, who you've been talking
Trying to get
to.
coffee.
What was that?
Just trying to get a coffee.
Yeah. Yeah, all right. I'm sure you'll be more forthcoming with HR. Enjoy that coffee. Watch it! Are you new here?
Yeah.
Jadi gue pegawai baru nih, cok.
His ass out. I can't
Baru
stand that
masuk,
Hey,
baru
Becky.
mau meretas.
Gentlemen.
He's been watching my ass since the day I got here. Now he's saying I should be more forthcoming with HR?
You think he's got something on you?
Damn it. Do you have any idea how much jail time I'd be looking at?
If I can get into the server farms, I can delete all that shit, all right? We got your back. You're not going in jail. I'll be in touch. All right?
All right.
All right.
Pomegrapples.
Oke, kita harus masuk ke ruang server untuk meretas. Entar apa yang bakal kita retas
All right,
aja.
Horatio, what's the plan for getting to the Noodle server farm?
Best option is the elevator
Okay.
maintenance area on the second floor of Noodle Maps. But watch
Akses
yourself.
kuncinya ada di sana.
Security's tight. Even I don't have access.
No
Install
sweat.
backdoor info. Oke, ada security guys. Sebentar. Oke, kayaknya kita bisa jam 4 apa namanya?
Trying to work out who's paying Horatio's second paycheck.
Apa? Drone.
Would make the most sense. They've been trying to push their way into the digital map
Drone
market
tuh
with
kenapa
their
sih?
social group matchmaking.
Sorry. Gak sengaja. Sorry. Gua salah tekan, Cok. Oh, tekan.
Robots on the street, they're gonna want access to Noodle's data to help guide them. Bloom, those are seducing as hard since
Oke,
they set
kita
up
bisa masuk ke
CTOS
atas.
2.0 here. I wouldn't put it past.
Dan ya, kita bisa masuk ke atas, Cok.
Horatio smiled at me in the hallway. I want to kick him in the dick.
Kita mesti dapatkan akses kuncinya. Lah, kocak. Ini sama aja, Cok. Lihat sini. Oke. Akses kuncinya ada di sini. Kita telah
All
mendapatkan
right.
akses kuncinya.
I am now Miss Laura Kim. How do I get into Noodle Maps?
Sekarang kita mesti ke
Got her
mana?
ID.
Oke, ke sana
You should be
aja.
able to just walk right in.
Kita turun terlebih dahulu misalnya. Kita masuk ke sana nanti.
Noodle Map security don't fool around, so watch yourself.
Hey, this is Laura Kim you're
Okay.
talking to.
Ini gak boleh ketahuan kan? Kita bisa menggunakan jumper di sini, Cok. Mau jumper. Ya, malah nge-stuck, Cok. Jumper gua. Udah. Mari kita coba lagi. Ada di atas ya. Oke. Nah, ini dia. Oke, kita bisa mendapatkan akses kuncinya terlebih dahulu. Oke, akses kuncinya sudah bisa. Selanjutnya kita bisa masuk ke ada CCTV. Ini kita bisa matikan terlebih dahulu. Lalu ini kita bunyiin. Kita masuk pelan-pelan. Kita meleh. Nah, nice. Kita tutup pintunya kali. Alright. Kita ke atas. Oke. Hati guys. Ini apa orang yang bakal kesini, Cok? Ada bentar guys. Oke, orang yang gak bakal kesini.
Seriously, bro, take your time. No pressure.
Keep it together, Ratio. I'm almost at the elevator shaft.
Sabar sedikit. Waduh. Kita mesti butuh kunci, Cok. Oke, kita tidak ketahuan. Oke, kuncinya ada di sini. Aduh, sebentar. Coba kita kejadat kepalanya, guys. Hati-hati. Oke, kita buka. Kita dapatkan kuncinya terlebih dahulu. Oke, sekarang kita telah mendapatkan kuncinya. Bunyiin dulu sambil kali ya. Mari kita lanjutin. Oke, kita telah di dalam. Sekarang
Hey bro, I've gotten to the elevator. Horatio?
He's gone dark. Hold on, we're trying to find him.
Hah? Horatio kemana, Cok? Putus kontak. Bisa aja putus kontak. Aduh, ada kunci, Cok.
Satara, it's a dead end. I need Horatio's code to get into the server farm. Any luck finding him?
Got his GPS, but he's not responding. I'll patch you in now.
Oke. Horatio tiba-tiba putus kontak, guys.
The keystrokes on your computer is evidence enough to put you
Strike.
away. I just
Brody,
I
okay,
want to hear
listen.
you say it. You have no idea how happy it'll make me. God, that's annoying. Sit, this place is a freaking circus. Site team morons better do something.
Oh, Horatio lagi. Apa? Sebentar. Gua lihat. Apa yang tulis sama si Horatio, guys? What floor are you on? Oke. Oke. Selanjutnya apa? 43778. Oke, ingat ya guys, 43778. Gue tahu itu kode apa, tapi ingat aja dulu 43778.
Mr. Carlin, I'm going to ask you to follow me.
Oke, info yang bagus, Horatio. Nice info. 43778, oke. Oh enggak, Cok. Kita nggak ada interaksi gitu emang.
You're the man, Horatio.
Oke, kita udah di wrong server. Wow. Seumur hidup gue baru kali ini gue liat ruang server, Cok. Walaupun dalam game ya. Dan kita harus
Nope.
Dan kita harus mencari seluruh datanya gitu.
Shit, wrong one.
Aduh, semuanya ini. Komputer server yang mesti kita periksa.
This is it.
Ah, itu dia. Oke, kita masih ke sana. Tapi cara gua untuk bisa ke sana gimana?
They got things wired up pretty tight here.
Oke. Banyak juga ya, guys. Waduh. Pakai drone sambil kali ya biar gampang. Oke, kita kan mau masuk pintu sini nih. Pintu sini nih. Jadi kita mesti hubungkan yang ini. Ini. Oke. Masuk. Oh, buka dulu, Cok. Oke. Wow. Ini ya guys, seluruh data kita tuh disimpan di dalam yang namanya komputer server. Inilah bentuk server, ruang server gitu. Komputer server semua, Cok.
That's it. Noodle's data is now DeadSec's data. I'm out of here, but Horatio's still in the spot. Can one of y'all help a brother out?
We have access to every workstation in Noodle, including Horatio's. And this Brody guy. I'm almost done sorting it out.
Well, let's see.
All right, done. Let's see how Horatio's doing.
Oke, sekarang kita telah berhasil meretas komputer server atau sistem gitu.
Sorry you chose not to cooperate with us. I would highly suggest you seek legal counsel. Yes. You tracked the keystrokes? I see. Thank you.
Aduh, Horatio masih ditahan, Cok.
Mr. Carlin, I am so sorry. Apparently, we've made a huge mistake.
What a surprise.
My apologies. You are free to go.
I'm just glad you finally got it right.
Whoa, this is a mistake. I mean,
Mr. Goodale, take a seat.
I don't think
Sit down.
Jadi dia kayak semacam mau ngelawar kerja gitu. Intinya pokoknya si Horatio by time lah guys untuk kita gitu.
Horatio, that was intense.
Gak tahu dia ngapain.
Better than good. Where you at?
Meet me out front at the noodle
Sekarang
bus.
kita harus ketemu sama Horatio guys. Gila sumpah asli Horatio. Mantap banget, Cok. Jalan keluarnya mana by the way? Guys, jalan keluarnya mana? Ini kan. Loh kok gak bisa? Guys, really? Ini jalan keluarnya kemana sih? Oh, sini, Cok.
Hey, I'm in a massive cooling room. Any ideas on how I can get out of here?
Yeah, I got you covered. There's a drainage conduit at the back that should take you to an exterior access.
Nice, thanks. You swapped out Horatio's keystrokes with Goodale's?
Nobody gives our Horatio a hard time and gets away with it.
That's real crafty, Satara.
I'll take that as a compliment.
There's a connection. What? Oh, sebentar guys. There's a connection. Maksudnya? Connection lost? Hah? Maksudnya? Bentar guys. Terus ketemu Horatio di sini.
Sorry, you're breaking up.
Hehe. Lumayan lah untuk uang kita nama-nama gitu. Oke, di sini.
Yo, how's the transfer going?
It's gold, Marcus. Gold.
Bloom's definitely tapped into Noodle's pipeline. They've even given Noodle limited access to their content.
I'm all for singing Kumbaya, but this shit's got Dushan written all over it.
For Bloom and Noodle to be cooperating like this, it's a major find. But it scares the fuck out of
Nah,
me.
ini dia Horatio.
Come on, guys. Noodle ain't that bad. Hey, enjoy the
Kelas.
Save a beer for me, all right, Wrench? Right now, I've got some code. Hey, thanks, man. Appreciate everything you did for me.
For sure.
But right now, can you get the hell out of here? You're making people nervous. Oh, hey, did you try Palma Grapple? It was good, right?
Yeah, good buddy. Thanks bro. Nice. Good work.
Welcome to the Noodle campus.
You look like someone with a lot of valuable information.
Oke. Siapa sih nama pria ini, Cok? Dia tampak kayak gak senang aja sama si Deadsec.
Now, tell me everything you know about Deadsec.
What? Hah? Guys, laki-laki tadi siapa? Yang pembenci Deadsec siapa namanya? Terus yang si pembenci Deadsec itu ngobrol sama siapa? Sehingga dia mau bertanya seperti itu sama laki-laki itu. What? Waduh. Gua gak tahu guys. Tapi kita bisa mengupgrade skill point kita guys, karena kita telah mendapatkan followers gitu yang lumayan banyak, 200.000 lumayan. Kita bisa upgrade terlebih dahulu. Ini tadi ya, ini boleh deng. Kita masuk mobil, langsung masuk tanpa harus kita mau mobilnya terlebih dahulu. Terus sekarang kita ngapain lagi? Oke, ada berita. Ya. Udah, kita skip aja guys. Untuk beritanya. Ketekan tombol escape, cok. Oke, ini sekarang kita ngapain lagi guys? Di sini main operationnya masih belum bisa sih. Belum ada juga telepon sama Deadsec. Deadsec app. Waduh guys. Yaudah, apapun itu untuk episode Watch Dogs 2 kali ini tampaknya kita cukupkan sampai di sini terlebih dahulu, karena gue udah bermain cukup lama. Terima kasih kepada kawan-kawan yang telah menonton untuk episode Watch Dogs 2 kali ini. Kita sambung di next episode. Akhir kata saya ucapkan goodbye.